So hi guys, my name is Sayesh Abbas Salim and you are start to watching my YouTube channel SAK Creation. So guys, we are back with latest grand bridal blouse designs, okay? And in this blouse designs, I want to teach you everything about Ari work, and also I'll give you some best tips and tricks how to make your own blouse designs at home, okay? So now we are stitching on the sleeves, okay, and we are using dotar needle, and also we are stitching one pendant middle side of the sleeves, okay. Look at this pendant. When you stitching like a pendant blouse design, so first of all you need to stitching pendant middle side of the sleeves, okay. Now, because if you are not stitching middle side pendant, so I think your look a little bit different. First you do marking with your body size, then you also measure size how's the center on the sleeves, then you are stitching this pendant, okay. Look at this also completed, and when we are start to stitching other one. So now we are on the back and start to stitching some zigzag boxes, sugar beads boxes, and also we are stitching center of the boxes some 3 number moti center of the boxes. Then back is a completed back, not have a too much work. And this entire blouse designs we are also making bridal sleeves designs, because sleeves was looking, and back was not looking too much, but sleeves also is a main project of the blouse design. So that's why we are making also always making a bridal sleeves, and back have just a little bit work, and also front was just one side neck, okay. And now we are using 7 number wooden needle. It's not for a beginner, it's just for pro level. And if you want to use this needle, you first of all you need some experience about Ari work, because this was needle was too much soft, so I think you will break easily, okay. And if you are new, you have no idea how to put this needle in your hand, so that's why you will break this needle. So I have one more suggestion for you guys. You know, use 7 number iron needle. It's very strong, and also I'll recommend it for you, okay. So this is a sleeves border, and also look at this sleeves border. We are stitching one sugar beads, and also 3 number moti and sugar beads load, and also some kundans work. And kundans have 2 lines, one downside and also 1 inch gap, okay. And now you can see this back. We also divided 2 parts of the back. First we are stitching half, then also we are stitching one more half, okay. So now we are sticking one more kundan lines, because I'm not show you everything, because if I'll shoot you, I'll show you everything, every little thing. So I think this video was going 20 minutes above, so I'm not doing this, because I'll show you the main part of the blouse designs, which will help you to learn this work, okay. So if you face any difficulties to learn this work, please do WhatsApp on the same number. My team always ready for you guys, okay. So now we are start to stitching P, because bride name is starting from the P, so that's why we are stitching P, some P alphabet, and also some sugar bead, not a sugar bead, so it's a gold spring load. And first we are stitching inside the load some piping dory, then we are start to stitching some gold spring load, and also we are stitching N alphabet to other sleeves, because bride and bridal both are named N and also P. So that's why he demand to stitching his starting alphabet to in blouse design sleeves. This is a customer choice. We also especially in a customization, so any type of blouse design my customer just want, he just tell me which color he want, which type of design he want, I'll make and send it to you. And also if you want any type of blouse design, you just WhatsApp on this number and tell me which is your requirement. I'll make same as it is and send it to you, okay. And we are also especially in the customization. Look at this. And now we are start to stitching some other work on the top of the sleeves. And also look at this top of the sleeves, we have some like waves type border, and also same border on the downside of the sleeves. And now we are stitching gold spring load. Gold spring load is a very unique and also very expensive, because stitching work also expensive than sticking work, because sticking have a not too much hard work for making, but stitching was a too much hard work. It's a completed and stitches blouse completed maximum 2 and 3 days, and also depending on the design quality. Okay, these two variant design also very famous. And if you plan to buy RE blouse design, so I have one suggestion for you guys. If you want a blouse designs, so you make your blouse design with the stitching, because stitching was going long life and also looking very grand. Okay, also remember, look at these sleeves, and look at this middle side of the pendant. So now we are printing on the top of the sleeve some boxes. We are also stitching same boxes on the back, and back have a full work with the boxes, and also one 3 number moti middle side of the boxes. And now we are printing on the sleeves, top of the sleeves boxes. Okay, and this is a liquid, and if you drawing some little booties, so you don't need to use this liquid, you just use some dry chalk. Okay, it's a very easy to use. Okay, but this type of material not for beginner, it's also for a pro level, because if you want some difficult design, so I think this liquid good for you. And if you trying some little booties, so I think dry chalk enough for you. Okay, so now we are printing and leave maximum 10 to 15 minutes for dry, then we are start to stitching. Okay guys, and if you face any difficulties to learn this work, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And also we are taking online classes. If you think you learn a proper work, so you need to join my classes. We're taking 2 sessions. One is a 1 month session, and also second one is a 3 month session. So if you want some light work, so 1 month enough for you. If you want proper work, so I think 3 month is good for you. Okay, so now we are stitching some 3 number moti inside the boxes, and also look at these boxes. And now you can see the downside free place with the alphabet P sides of free places. We are also stitching here some zigzag with the two colors, like one red and also one gold mix. And zigzag also done with the two thread, it's not doing with the single. So that this is a perfect look for any blouse designs. If you use two colors thread, so I think it's looking very attractive and also looking very beautiful. Okay, first you will fill all the needles, then you are stitching same as it is. It's a very easy, and you face any difficulties, you just WhatsApp me on this number. My team always ready for you guys. And if anyone want to buy these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. We make as your choice and also your body measurement, so don't worry. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some zigzag and fill some free places. And look at this, zigzag is a very unique work of the all time, and this is a very also very expensive and also very gorgeous blouse designs. And zigzag is a very unique work of all time, and I think you've never seen before that type of work, because we are making these blouse designs like 2 years back, but in this time zigzag was a trending work and also very beautiful. And look at these sleeves. Okay, and this is the actual blouse design. And lots of family members have a requirement to stitching this full bridal blouse on this plain cloth, but this is a pure pattu. Okay, so this is the actual blouse designs final look, and look at this how much is beautiful. It's a very beautiful and also very grand blouse design. If you want this, please do WhatsApp on the same number. Any color you want, any size, your body size, and any type of requirement relate to a blouse design, you just WhatsApp on the same number. We will make as your choice and also your body measurement. Okay, and also tell me guys how is my design quality and also my explanation quality. And if I'll do any mistake to my explanation, please forgive me like your little brother, because I'll try my best. And my lots of family members not understand Hindi, so that's why I'll decide to explain my work in English. Okay, so please understand my problem. So look at this in sleeves. And also tell me guys how my design, and please tell me you like this blouse designs or not. And if I'll do any mistake, please forgive me. And if you do order, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Love you so much. Take care. See you soon.